Spider-Man teaches Hulk sustainable farming techniques during a colorful Indian harvest festival celebration. Spider-Man guides a gentle Hulk through the golden marigold fields, showing how to plant seeds with kindness during the vibrant harvest festival. We celebrate teamwork as they trade smashing for splashing water on thirsty sprouts. Our colorful journey teaches little ones that even the strongest heroes grow better together through patience. What happens when the world's strongest Avenger stops smashing and starts planting? Spider-Man is taking Hulk on a vibrant journey through a colorful Indian harvest festival to learn the secrets of sustainable farming. Can the Hulk trade his massive strength for a gentle touch to help these thirsty sprouts grow? Step into a world of golden marigold fields and brilliant festival colors where heroes become farmers. Watch as Spider-Man teaches a gentle Hulk that true power comes from patience and teamwork during this beautiful harvest celebration. It is time to see how our favorite heroes grow something amazing together using kindness. Ever wondered if a superhero could save the planet without fighting villains? Join Spider-Man and Hulk as they discover the magic of sustainable farming amidst the music and joy of an Indian harvest festival. Learn how even the strongest heroes use gentle splashing instead of smashing to protect our Earth. Spider-Man welcomes a nervous Hulk to a sun-drenched Indian farm decorated with vibrant orange marigolds for the harvest festival. The duo explores the importance of the soil and why today is a special time for communities to come together and celebrate nature. Spider-Man explains that even the strongest heroes need to learn the rhythm of the earth before they can start planting. Spider-Man demonstrates how to use sticky fingers for precision instead of power to place heirloom seeds into the warm earth. Hulk practices controlling his strength by handling tiny seeds with care, showing viewers that patience is more important than speed. This mindful approach to gardening sets the stage for understanding how water and care transform a tiny seed into a tall plant. The heroes transition from the dry soil to the traditional irrigation canals, trading Hulk smashes for Hulk splashes to nourish the rows. Spider-Man teaches about water conservation and how to give thirsty sprouts exactly what they need without wasting precious resources. Seeing the immediate change in the soil's color helps the heroes realize that nurturing others is a unique kind of superpower. Amidst the festival music and flying gulal powder, the heroes work together to mulch the beds using organic materials from the festival feast. Hulk learns that using natural fertilizers like compost keeps the earth healthy and prevents the need for harsh chemicals. Their successful teamwork in the field mirrors the unity of the festival, leading to a deeper understanding of why we grow food together. And with a ripple of laughter, Spider-Man and Hulk stand back to admire their sustainable garden as the festival sun begins to set over the horizon. The heroes reflect on how patience and gentleness allowed them to achieve more than raw strength ever could. They invite the young audience to take these lessons of environmental care and teamwork back to their own homes and schools.